Only dim sum? Can't say no to that. If you haven't heard yet, my feast all-you-can promo ang Lugang Cafe for as low as 688 pesos. I'm with the Xiaolongbao Princess. Ito yung mga kasama sa 688 only promo. May only iced tea, rice of the day. We ordered chicken feet in black bean sauce. Favorite ko to, tofu with preserved egg and pork floss. Lahat kasi ng ingredients dito favorite ko. Soft tofu, pork floss, and century egg. No leftovers nga pala dito ha, kaya order what you can lang. My daughter loves Xiaolongbao kaya sinama ko siya dito. Start na rin kasi ng month-long birthday celebration niya. This is vegetarian dumpling with truffle oil. Okay, naubos niya tong isang order ng steamed pork Xiaolongbao. I really like the skin of their Xiaolongbao. Wish ko lang mas masabaw pa yung loob. Nagustuhan ng daughter ko yung soup of the day and noodles of the day nila. Bihon to na very shrimpy yung taste. Masarap. This is the pork wonton in spicy chili oil. I also like this. Tolerable yung spice level niya. We also decided to try the Xiaolongbao with XO sauce. Mas prefer lang namin ng daughter ko yung classic pork Xiaolongbao. May pagka-oily kasi yung XO sauce and medyo lasang crab. May umay factor for me kaya medyo nahirapan kaming ubusin to. We love this Vietnamese egg roll. Very crunchy and bagay siya dun sa sweet vinegar sauce. Tamang-tama siya pang break ng umay kapag nagsasawa ka na sa dumpling. After trying this buffet, we realized na tamang-tama lang sa amin yung mga 8 pieces ng dumpling. Ito yung POV na umay ka na, tas you have to finish 3 more dumplings. But it's our fault naman kasi ang dami naming in order. Kayo ba, would you try this anniversary promo ng Lugang Cafe?